Hello, welcome everybody. Now, this is ice coin, my ice coin balance. Okay, therefore, this ice coin is decentralized. This ice coin will be listed from coming 2024 October date 7. Okay, from October date 7, 2024 will be find the very biggest opportunity from our this ice coin. Okay, therefore this opportunity uh, don't don't miss. If you want to earn more ice coin you also may join rest or sign up from my referral link. From where, don't worry. You go to click the at my description from this my YouTube. Okay, you will be find the short my referral link. After find the that my referral link, when you restart sign up, you use my code this button, BASAN button. Okay, BASAN button. Okay, you use this my user code when you sign up restart to this ice coin. Okay, therefore after successful restart sign up, you go to follow step by step according this ice decentralized coin. Okay, after successful step by step everything, uh, you will be sure to find the 10 ice coin for use my user code. Okay, and after successful everything, you go to here. This is a green. Okay, this green you click everything. Okay, every day you will be clicked after every 24 hours you will be sure find the bonus bonus. Okay, don't miss that gets bonus. After click the here, you will sure get bonus from here. Okay, therefore this my mining stake period is 5 year. If you want to look the pre-staking bonus, click. Okay, just here year 5. This year 5, the 1 2 3 4 5 5 is a margin from 1 to 5 margin. Okay, here you may choose which you want to put on 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. 5 year is margin. Okay, now I put the margin. Then the allocation is also like that 1%, 2.3%, 100%, 100% year. Year, okay, 100% and 5 year uh, is very important. This will be sure get some benefit increasing this percentage. Okay, therefore after successful everything, you will be sure find submitted. Okay, successful. Now this I scored uh, so many friends and so many countries inside the world are participating day by day, increasing. So many members are participate are join. Okay, here I will show from this box. Okay, click, state click. Top user. This is China. China is a top user. Okay, now online member uh, 1.2 million online member to 10 user 1.8 million to 10. This is the to 10 user now. Okay, therefore This biggest opportunity. Don't miss because you want to earn earn cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency means money. Okay, you will be sure to find cryptocurrency exchange from this coin coming 2024 October date 7. Okay, therefore you also may see when you click in my description everything. Okay, don't worry. This is very biggest opportunity. Thank you.